how to connect your Tonekeeper wallet to Hamster Kombat. Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to connect your Tonekeeper wallet to Hamster Kombat. Alright, so what you're going to do is simple. Make sure you have Hamster Kombat and make sure you have Tonekeeper also in your Android or other device. So if you don't have Hamster Kombat, I'll show you how to register. And if you have Tonekeeper, if you also don't have Tonekeeper, just come to Google Play Store over here and then search for Tonekeeper. So Tonekeeper is a wallet just like Trust Wallet, okay? So after searching for it, make sure you come and open it. Alright, so this is my Tonekeeper wallet and me, I already have it, I already registered in it. But if you don't have it, just make sure you come and open up a new wallet and then register in it. Alright, so now we're heading over to our Hamster Kombat. So Hamster Kombat, just need to come here, then search for Hamster Kombat. This is a bot and make sure it's a verified bot. As you can see, it's verified. Well and good. So if now it's verified, what you're going to do is simple. Tap on play over here to access your wallet or your Hamster Kombat account. Alright, so my Hamster Kombat account is now loading up right now. Alright, so just need to claim this. This is just a thank you. Alright, so this is my Hamster Kombat balance, and if I want here, I can start mining. Alright, so now the main issue here is how to connect your Tonekeeper wallet to your Hamster Kombat. So to do that, come to this airdrop option there, and then as you can see, they have an option of connect your Tonekeeper. So guys, point to note is that when Hamster Kombat is launched, you'll be able to send your coins to your Tonekeeper wallet and sell them if you want. Alright, so just click on connect your wallet, and as you can see, you're connecting your Tonekeeper wallet. Click on connect your Tonekeeper wallet and then here select Tonekeeper in this list, and automatically it will open your Tonekeeper wallet and just connect over here. Click on connect. So when you click on connect, you just need to put in your password. So the screen may show a blank screen because I'm putting in my password. Don't have to mind that. Alright, so after putting in your password, it will automatically connect. As you can see, it's now connecting, and boom guys, it has connected successfully, and I've finished connecting my Tonekeeper wallet to my Hamster Kombat account. When it has connected, if you come to your airdrop option here, okay, you'll see this tick over here, meaning you're already connected, guys. So that's it guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to mine your Hamster Kombat. Until next time, we shall meet.